ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kumkadak kajing isimenta ha kajing rakhi jongkari India ya kajing dap nyo pusan snem jong kajing yo lailut ya kabalatip ru kumka azadi ka amrut mahotsav bat shibenta ru kum kajing penpau pertai ya kikam kibakala le na benta kari ka Tanat Border Roads Organization kala penlong da kajing ya tuk-tuk ya kabalatip kumka India at 75 BRO Motorcycle Expedition kabala sedang nado ka khatsau tarik urisau bat kaba on penkut pat haka arpunyau tarik uno pra arjar arpuwe kane ka kunhon nya thuk jongga BRO kala 1 poi hanong ba shalong haka arpulai tarik unai weng arjar arpuwe ya kabala pediang sungubha da SE Civil ubadeiru u officiating chief engineer jongkane ketanat u Sunil Kumar Chobe ka Border Roads Organization kadai ka kanhon sipai yadari ka bajurung syaki kendong kensrot jongkari India ban penshna ya ki surok lani ki lenti yai kejat ban pensuk ya ki paitba nongsong shnong u Sunil Kumar Chobe ulaong bahari India kidon ki shnong ki bamju yo I watang ya ki kaliru khamtam hagi thain khaput dai ga ne katanat ka bapun poi surok ban penyasno ya barok kisnong gitau ban wanra ka jingya teli ha barok ka wai kari
almost 39,000 of manpower right now. It has constructed so far 50,000 kilometers of the roads, 450 numbers of the permanent bridges of length about 44 kilometers of the permanent bridges it has constructed, 19 airfields in the strategic locations. As you are aware, recently we have constructed very prestigious tunnel, Atal Tunnel, which is the highest tunnel. It is the tunnel at the highest altitude in the world at 3,000 meter in Rohtang Tunnel. That is called the Rohtang Tunnel in Himachal Pradesh on the route to Leh from the Manali. Recently, we are also constructing the Sela Tunnel in the Arunachal Pradesh on the way to Tawang. It is under construction. On the similar route, we are also constructing the Nechupi Tunnel, which are likely to be commissioned by the next year. As you know, BRO is primarily engaged in constructing the roads, infrastructure development work in the very trying conditions, where the temperature varies from plus 50 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan to minus 50 degrees Celsius. So we are working in the very trying conditions. Our troops are working in the very difficult conditions. Recently, you may be aware that the BRO has achieved the milestones by constructing a motorable road, blacktop road at the highest altitude, 19,800 something feet at Umlingla Pass in the state of Ladakh, Union Territory of Ladakh, Leh and Ladakh. The BRO has been in the Meghalaya through the project Setuk since 1983, and project Setuk has constructed the road in the state of Meghalaya. Thousands kilometers, more than 1,000 kilometers roads have been constructed and numerous bridges have been constructed in the state of Meghalaya by the BRO. Due to some strategic requirement, the project Setuk has moved out to some strategic locations along the Indo-China border, Indo-China regions for construction of strategic roads in year 2012. Thereafter, this research and development, which is the present unit, research and development establishment has been located at these locations, which is engaged in resolving the challenging problems being faced by the field engineers of the BRO. As you are aware, BRO is constructing the roads and the bridges and the tunnels at the very difficult conditions at the high altitude area. All the locations are more than 10,000 feet, where the normal technologies of the road construction doesn't work. So we are through this establishment, which is the research wing of the Border Roads Organizations, we are trying to implement the new technology and materials in the constructions of road in the high altitude area, subglacier zones. We have taken up a lot of the research work in collaborations with the IITs and the Premier Research Institute CRRI, and we are implementing on the grounds. Our motorcycle expeditions, it has been organized on the eve of Amrit Mahotsav. As we are aware that country is celebrating the 75th year of the independence, and various national programs have been organized by the various ministries, and MOD is also organizing similar kind of functions. This motorcycle rally expeditions was flagged off by Honorable Raksha Mantri from War Memorial, Delhi on 14th October 2021. It will be covering almost 20,000 kilometers of the road, traversing throughout the country, perimeter of the country. There are total 7 legs of the expeditions. Out of that, which the expedition is likely to reach at Shillong under the 4th leg of the its expeditions. After reaching these expeditions will terminate at the Kolkata, and after that 5th leg of the expedition will start. The role of this motto of this expedition is to spread the role of the BRO in the nation building, road safety, awareness among the road users about the road safeties, contribution of BRO in the humanitarian measures in disaster and relief, socio-economic development in the remote areas, which is being done by the BRO. Because though BRO is working in the very trying conditions, BRO has a lot of potentials to add the youth in the motto of developing the nations in the trying conditions. However, the youths are not very much aware about that. Through these motorbike expeditions, we are conducting the workshop, seminar in the various places like schools, colleges, and we are spreading the role of BRO in the fields of various activities in the nation buildings. Jawai to Silchar and Jawai to Aizwal to Sabroom. These axis was with the border roads. This has been developed by the border roads through the Project Setu. Apart from that, the Project Setu had also constructed the Indo-Bangladesh border and fencing roads. Numerous bridges have been constructed for the Home Ministry of Homes. And though still the requirement was there, but because of the more strategic requirement of the country, the BRO project has moved out from these locations. Comparatively, it is a very not difficult as we are working in the Leh Ladakh areas or high altitude of the Arunachal Pradesh. But these areas are chunki terrain is not that much hard. That is not very high altitude area. It is not suffered with snowfall. Though high rainfall is there, a lot of bridges are required in these areas. But since the BRO is not at present, BRO is not working in the Meghalaya, and we are present through the research and development establishment at Shillong. And because of the strategic requirement, we have moved towards the northern border and northeastern border of the